Are you a freelancer in Canada feeling that familiar pang of dread as tax season approaches? Do the words self-employment income and deductible expenses send a shiver down your spine? You're not alone. For many independent contractors, consultants, and gig economy workers, navigating the complexities of Canadian income tax can feel like deciphering ancient hieroglyphs. But what if I told you there's a tool that can not only simplify this process but also help you maximize your refund, all without breaking the bank? Enter Wealthsimple Tax. What was once Simple Tax, a beloved free online tax filing platform, is now an integral part of the Wealthsimple ecosystem, offering a remarkably user-friendly experience for Canadians from all walks of life, including, crucially, freelancers. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by the thought of tracking every single business expense, or confused about which forms to fill out, then this video is for you. We're going to dive deep into how Wealthsimple Tax can become your best friend during tax season, guiding you through its features, offering actionable tips, and helping you unlock those sweet tax savings. Being a freelancer is about freedom, flexibility, and being your own boss. It's about setting your own hours, choosing your clients, and pursuing your passions. But with that freedom comes responsibility, particularly when it comes to your taxes. Unlike salaried employees who have taxes automatically deducted from their paychecks, freelancers are responsible for tracking their income, meticulously recording their expenses, and ultimately, paying their own share to the Canada Revenue Agency, CRA. This often means dealing with what's known as the T2125, the Statement of Business or Professional Activities, a form that can intimidate even seasoned entrepreneurs. Many freelancers make common mistakes that cost them money and unnecessary stress. Perhaps they don't track their expenses diligently throughout the year, leading to a frantic scramble for receipts come tax time. Or maybe they miss out on valuable deductions simply because they aren't aware they exist. Some might even assume that because their income fluctuates, their tax obligations are somehow less serious, which is a dangerous misconception. The truth is, whether you earned $5,000 or $500,000 as a freelancer, you have tax responsibilities, and the CRA expects you to fulfill them. This is where Wealthsimple Tax shines. It's designed to be intuitive, walking you through the process step by step, and even suggesting deductions you might not have considered. Think of it as having a friendly tax assistant by your side, guiding you through the labyrinth of tax forms and regulations. The best part? For many, it's completely free, operating on a pay-what-you-want model for its basic service, which includes all the forms you'll likely need as a freelancer. This affordability, combined with its robust features, makes it a game-changer for independent workers. So, let's break down some essential tips for freelancers using Wealthsimple Tax to make tax season a breeze and keep more of your hard-earned money in your pocket. First and foremost, the golden rule of freelancing and taxes is meticulous record-keeping. This cannot be stressed enough. Wealthsimple Tax is excellent at compiling your information, but it can't magically invent receipts for expenses you didn't track. From day one of your freelance journey, cultivate the habit of saving every single receipt, invoice, and bank statement related to your business. This includes digital copies. Take photos of paper receipts as soon as you get them, and categorize them immediately. There are many excellent expense tracking apps out there that can integrate with your bank accounts and streamline this process throughout the year, making tax time far less daunting. Think of it this way: every dollar you spend on a legitimate business expense is a dollar you might not have to pay tax on. Once your records are squared away, the next crucial step is understanding the T2125 form. This is the Statement of Business or Professional Activities, and it's where you'll report your self-employment income and, more importantly, your deductible expenses. Wealthsimple Tax guides you through this form with clear, simple questions. It's designed to be approachable, breaking down complex sections into manageable chunks. You'll be asked about your business income, which is generally the total amount you've earned from your freelance activities before any deductions. Then comes the exciting part, detailing your business expenses. What exactly can you deduct as a freelancer? This is where the real savings come in. Wealthsimple Tax will prompt you for common deductions, but it's vital to be aware of what's potentially claimable. Think about everything you spend to earn your freelance income. This could include home office expenses. If you regularly and exclusively use a portion of your home for your business, you can deduct a percentage of your rent, mortgage interest, property taxes, utilities, electricity, heat, water, and even home insurance. Wealthsimple Tax has a dedicated section for this, and it will help you calculate the appropriate percentage based on the square footage of your dedicated workspace. Remember to keep a log of your home office usage and measure your space accurately. Office supplies and software. Did you buy a new laptop, a printer, paper, pens, or specialized software for your design work, coding, or writing? These are all deductible. Professional development, courses, workshops, conferences, books, and subscriptions to industry publications that enhance your skills and are directly related to your freelance work are generally deductible. Advertising and marketing. Costs associated with promoting your freelance business, like website hosting fees, domain registration, social media advertising, business cards, or even professional headshots, can be claimed. Client entertainment and meals. There's a specific rule here. Generally, only 50% of the cost of meals and entertainment incurred for business purposes is deductible. Wealthsimple Tax will guide you on how to apply this. Always keep receipts that clearly indicate the business purpose. Travel expenses. If you travel to meet clients, attend industry events, or perform work, the costs of transportation, accommodation, and a per diem for meals can be deductible. Again, meticulous records are key, including mileage logs if you use your personal vehicle for business. Professional fees and dues, membership fees to professional organizations, legal fees, or accounting fees, like the cost of this very tax software, can often be deducted. Bank charges and interest. Any bank charges or interest on money borrowed specifically for your business are generally deductible. Insurance premiums. If you have business insurance, such as professional liability insurance, those premiums are deductible. Capital cost allowance, CCA. This is a big one for freelancers who purchase assets for their business that will last for several years, like computers, cameras, or office furniture. Instead of deducting the entire cost in 1 year, you deduct a portion of the cost over several years. Wealthsimple Tax handles the calculations for CCA, making it much simpler than doing it manually. It's important to accurately classify your assets to ensure you claim the correct CCA rate. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.